In this tutorial, we will review how to sponsor users in Precision Health Data Direct. University faculty have access to Precision Health Data Direct. Students and other non-faculty can also use the tool, but they have to be added by a faculty member. In order to sponsor a user, the faculty member must log into Precision Health Data Direct, not Michigan Medicine Data Direct. Logging in requires a Level 1 password. You will then get a push notification to accept. Once logged in, the faculty has to create a new query or select an existing one to exit out of the initial pop-up of Data Direct. I will be selecting an existing query. Then, to sponsor a user, use the Logged In As icon in the upper right corner of the tool, then select Sponsor User. After selecting Sponsor Users, a Manage Sponsor Users pop-up will appear where you will add the users, preferably after they have signed the data attestation form. This attestation goes over the ethical use of health data. Sponsored users will have 1 year of access to Precision Health Data Direct for cohort access only. During that year, the download mode access is separate and controlled by the IRB approved duration of the study. For questions or data access assistance, please email the Research Scientific Facilitators at phdatahelp@umich.edu.